guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to unbox the winter FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what I got in this season's box, then just keep watching. Ignore my voice. I am getting over COVID, so I still have messed up nose, throat, and just ignore it. So we're gonna dive in to this winter's FabFitFun box. If you do not know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription box. I think it's like $52 a month, a season, so every quarter. So this is the winter version. So let's go ahead and just get into this, see what we got. My box is like literally torn apart. Like I'm surprised it didn't rip. Like it ripped, so I'm surprised nothing came out. So they do always come with coupons. So it looks like there's a HelloFresh coupon, an HBO coupon, a Bright Sellers coupon. It looks like you can pass this along to somebody else. So if one of you want this, it's $15 off your first box. To be honest, I never use these coupons. I know they come with them every time and I've never once used them. Although this HBO Max might be fun. It's a 14-day free trial. Then it comes with your little catalog. Now never says pricing, and I hate that. So if you didn't know, you can customize some of the items with FabFitFun. I want to say, like, if you purchase a higher subscription, then you customize everything, but I have the base level, so you get to customize, I think, was it 3 items? I think it's 3 items. So let's just start off something small. So it looks like the first thing in here is a lip oil by the brand Winky Lux, which I have seen this brand occasionally in like BoxyCharms. And then I think I just saw it at Target not that long ago. But this is the lip oil, so it does have some gold flecks in it. It's really pretty. Should I put it on top of this? Oh, see, I hate when I do that though, because then you get the lip color on it. It feels really nice. I feel like you can never go wrong with a lip oil, and I hate paying for them. So that's really nice. It feels so good. I'm gonna have to keep this like on my desk. All right, what else is in here? This I don't understand. So this is called Mani Moments. It's a Mani in a box duo with a nail file. So this is what it looks like. But I just don't understand what it is. Get a salon-worthy manicure at home. This Mani bundle is the perfect choice for a girls' night in, bachelorette parties, staycations, or much-needed me time. Our nourishing ingredients soothe and hydrate hydrate dry skin, leaving hard-working hands looking good as new in 15 minutes or less. These DIY kits and nail file will keep your hand and nails tip-top shape. So I get my nails done, but I think this, if I'm reading this right, it's just like something to hydrate your hands, not necessarily get a manicure. Because when I think of manicure, I just think of the polish side of it, but I realize they do more than that. Yeah. So it looks like it comes with a nail file, and then it has these. There's a pink one, which says Vitamin Recharge. And then, what is it? Oh, wait a minute. It has a 1, 2, and 3 on it. Are you supposed to do these in steps? Mani in a box, 3 steps. It is. It's 3 steps. So you either do the Vitamin Recharge or you do the Green Tea Detox. So it looks like the Vitamin Recharge has a sugar scrub, and then you do a cream mask and a massage butter. Okay, this sounds awesome. Gently massage onto hands and forearms, rinse thoroughly. Yeah, so it's just something to hydrate your hands beforehand. So this one's a vitamin one. And then this one says green tea detox, which is, again, a sugar scrub, a cream mask, and a massage butter. Oh, okay. So the vitamin one has vitamin C in it, and then the green tea is just a green tea extract. But other than that, it's both a sugar scrub, then a cream mask, and then a massage butter. Interesting. These would actually be really fun at home. And I feel like this is a good gift to give someone too. I'm gonna have to use these sometime. Although I do like the thing that it says working hands in 15 minutes or less. Tell me why I want to try this. I clearly don't have working hands, but my husband does. Mike, you want to give this a try?
I'll be right off.
Oh, you want to do it now?
You asked me to.
I know. Oh, I want to know if you wanted to do it. I didn't mean you had to do it now.
Oh, I've already got it.
Okay. It's a 3-step process though. Okay, do you want to do the pink one or the green one?
What's the difference?
Not much. It just says the pink one is with vitamin C and then this one's with green tea extract. I'm thinking the green tea might be better hydration-wise. But it says it's 3 steps. There's a scrub, and then a cream mask, and a massage butter.
For my hands?
Yeah.
What's this supposed to do?
Hydrate them. Leaving working hands good as new.
Give it a test. See what it feels like.
It feels like sandpaper. Actually, it doesn't feel bad today.
It's because I washed them.
You washed them? Do you know how to wash them normally?
No, that's not what I meant. I haven't done anything with them today.
Oh. Okay, so this says, gently massage onto hands and forearms, and then rinse thoroughly with water and wipe off with a towel. Do you really want to do this?
Sure.
Okay, are your hands clean? No?
They look clean.
Really? You call this clean? You got oil. Is that just like a stain? He's a mechanic, so his hands are always nasty. Okay, so it says this is step 1. So gently massage onto hands and forearms, and then you rinse it. So it's a scrub. A sugar scrub, so it's going to be rough.
Okay.
And they're good! I'm so weak. Okay, here. Oh, alright. Everywhere. Back too.
I don't like the little beads.
That's what a sugar scrub is. The smell. You can't smell. He lost his smell and taste with COVID. I can't smell it either, though.
I don't like this feeling. You know, it's funny that I say I don't like this feeling, but yet our soap at work has peanuts.
I was gonna say it has to. I wish it said like a time.
It feels the same though, so I don't know why I'm complaining.
You would think it'd say like do it for so long, but it doesn't say. Jesus. It just says rinse thoroughly with warm water and wipe off with a towel when you're done. And then we have to move on to step 2.
Okay, I'll be back.
Oh, see, this one at least says a time. What?
They're soft.
Hold on, say that on the camera.
I said they're soft.
No, try that again.
They're soft? What?
Like, oh, wow.
Oh wow, they're soft.
I hate you.
No, seriously though.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a big difference. That's just step 1.
Okay, so then this one it says apply onto hands after washing and pat until dry. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. We're gonna be here for a second.
Okay.
This is a mask because it says apply on hands after washing. Okay, leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse. Okay, so just get this all over your hand and we'll set a timer for 3 minutes. Right. It's so funny because he will not even like let me put moisturizer on. He hates it.
Well, okay, I have a reasoning behind that. I have to maintain thick skin in order to do my job. I already get cut a lot as it is, and if my hands are any softer than they were, then my every day would suck.
Excuses.
They're not excuses.
Well, I guess Mike's joining us now for the rest of the video because he's got to wait 3 minutes. It shows how dark you are back there.
It's a Jalen takeover, except I'm not Jalen. And you're not Saray.
You know, not everyone knows who that is.
Oh, well, if you don't, you should.
I'll leave her YouTube down below if I remember. Okay, hey Siri, set an alarm for 3 minutes.
Your alarm is set for 5:16 p.m.
Okay, now you just have to leave it and don't touch anything, please.
This is going to be the longest 5 minutes of my life.
I did 3.
Okay.
It said 3 do 5, so. Okay, well while we wait, we'll continue. I think this would be a great idea for a gift. If you did like a spa bath gift for somebody, like a, you know, like a basket with this and like bath bombs and things like that. This would actually be really cool. Are you struggling trying to figure out where to put your hands?
I don't know what to do with myself.
Okay, let's move on. The next item. Okay, we'll continue without you. The next is called, it's by the New. It's N-U-E. I think that's still Nuco. It says that it's a topical C, so it's a skincare booster powder. This I've never heard of, but it actually sounds really cool. So I was reading the directions, and it says that it's a potent powdered vitamin C and is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. So you're just supposed to put 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer or serum every day. And it helps to just give you more vitamin C, which vitamin C is very good for you. Whoa. So like, oh my god, it's like, well obviously, it's powder. That's so cool. I can't smell. I don't know why I even tried. I'm still too stuffed up to smell. But this is really cool. I'm going to try this. Hopefully this actually works. But if it does, that's a really cool product. Next, we've got, it's by the brand Espa? E-S-P-A? I don't know. Oh, you can go wash your hands. Okay, while he does that, This is an exfoliating body polish. Massage into damp hands using firm circular motions, blah, 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 blah. I actually really, really like these, but this one's a body polish. I have ones that are hand and ones that are skin or face ones. I'm not going to open this just because I already have one and I don't want to waste it by opening this and it expiring too soon because it does say 6 months. But I love things like this. And I actually really like this bottom, how it kind of makes it look like a stone. That's cool. This is awesome. Again, these are things that I personally wouldn't like buying. I don't want to go out and buy it, but I like having it. So that's kind of something I love about these kind of boxes. You ready? So it's the last final step. The last one is just massage butter. So massage into hands and forearms until thoroughly absorbed. So it's just lotion.
Oh.
Just do it. Suck it up.
I don't like lotion.
Well, lotion doesn't like you.
Good. It's a mutual agreement.
You're so annoying. How do your hands feel?
Softer, except they're not soft. They're clean. They feel clean.
Well, yeah, let me see your thumb. I don't want to touch it. Nope, still grease on it.
It's hard to get out. Sometimes it just stays inside of your actual like fingerprints.
Your fingerprints. They look clean. You look white.
I know.
I'm not used to seeing you white.
Scrubbed a layer off my hands.
You might have to do that every once in a while.
Yeah.
Alright, well, thanks for your participation.
Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Next is something I actually did pick up because I need to start working out more. So they are by the brand Coral, and it's just some ankle weights. Again, things that I really wouldn't want to buy myself, so it's nice when you get them in the box. So they're just little pink and purple ankle weights. Cute. Okay, 2 items left. So this item is something I picked because I have one now, but it does not work very good. The top just keeps coming off the more I've put oil in it. So it's just a elixir bottle designed to store olive oil, vinegar, soap, and other liquids. I love these things, but this one just seemed a lot nicer. Like, I got mine at like Home Goods or something, so you know, it was cheap. And I swear, it leaks so bad. Oh, this is cute! I thought it was clear for some reason. This is adorable. Oh, I am excited now. And I'm going to use this for olive oil because if you did not know, olive oil does need to stay in a dark place to keep good. So I'm really excited for this because my current one is see-through, which isn't good because of not being in a dark area. So I keep it in a dark area in my kitchen. This is nice. I love white. Okay, last item is by the brand Mark & Graham. It's a stainless steel electric wine opener. I'm allergic to wine. Actually, that's not true. I'm allergic to grapes, so I can't have wine, which is unfortunate and recent. But this is what it looks like. So obviously, I cannot use this, so I am going to re-gift this to my mom. She doesn't watch my YouTube, so we're fine. But I'm going to give it to her for Christmas, plus obviously some other stuff since I didn't really buy this. But this is a great gift for somebody else who loves wine, and my family loves wine. This is really cool. I love that it's just a button. It makes life so much easier. Alright, well that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box. To be honest, I would say this is probably one of the better boxes I've gotten in a while as far as like the products actually being useful for me. Because obviously I picked this, but I love this. This isn't useful for me, however, I think it's awesome to get it this time of year because I can give it to somebody else. So I do actually really like this. Ankle weights, obviously I picked these, so I like them because I need to use them. I need to start working out. It's ridiculous. Lip oil, I feel like you can never go wrong with a lip oil. And again, I just don't like paying for something like that because I want to say those are normally like 18 to 20 bucks if it's Winky Lux. So I'm glad I didn't buy it, but I like that I have it. Same thing with this. Exfoliating body polishes or scrubs. Personally, I just don't like paying for them, but I like having them, so that's nice. And then this actually was really nice. Again, I think it would be a great gift idea to do like a whole basket of like a spa home day kind of stuff for someone. And then this powder. I'm so excited to try it and see if it works. So then that's the other reason I really like boxes like this is because it gets you to try things you would have either never heard of or just never purchased yourself. So I really like this. Yeah, that is everything I got in my FabFitFun box. If you got something similar, if you got something else, let me know down below. I'm always curious to see what other people got. But that is all I have for this video, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.